G'day there. In this video, I'm going to take you through the simple steps to make a box in Autodesk Inventor. The first thing we need to do is to create the box parts. So we're going to click on New Part. There it is. I'll try and go slowly for you guys. Okay, now that we're in the New Part section of Inventor, we're going to go up to Start 2D Sketch or the green plus button. We're going to pick a plane to work on. It doesn't matter which one. Anyone will do. I usually pick this one. Click on that. Okay, now that we're in the design plane, we are going to start a sketch. So again, we're going to start a rectangle, and you just single click to place the top left corner, drag the rectangle out, and then single click to place the bottom right corner. We're going to adjust the dimensions to any size that you want for your box. So these are basically going to be the sidewalls that make up your box. For this demonstration, I'll make my sidewalls 300 millimeters long. If it looks like it's disappeared, you can use the zoom all function, which is the page with the magnifying glass, and you can zoom out to have everything visible. I'm going to make the height of my sides 100 millimeters. Depending on the kind of box you make, that will probably be an adequate size if you're looking for a jewelry box or a tackle box or something. Then we exit the sketch. That's where I just clicked up there, the green tick, and zoomed out again. Now we're going to extrude this sketch. So I'm going to click on extrude, and we're going to change the distance to be 19 millimeters. If you're going to make your box out of pine, the standard width or thickness of pine is 19 mil. Okay, now that that's done, I need to cut the housings in this piece. So essentially, I'm going to start, actually, I'm going to do a clever thing. Well, it's sort of clever. I'm going to save it as is. I'm going to find my student share folder, because what I'm going to do is use this part as it is as the basis for both pieces. So I'll show you what that means shortly. So I'm just going to save it now. This is my example box part 1 of 2, and I'm going to save it. And so now I'm going to open this up later and not have to make the sketch and stuff again. Now I'm going to make a sketch on the top face. So click New Sketch, or Start 2D Sketch, and then click the face that you want that sketch to go on, which is this one. It'll turn green. There we go.